Welcome to the best picks. The best cooking gloves is probably one of the most underrated kitchen gadgets, offering a surprising level of protection and convenience that significantly enhances your cooking experience. From searing steaks to handling boiling water, these gloves provide a barrier against heat, burns, cuts, and even germs, allowing you to confidently tackle any culinary challenge with precision and peace of mind. They're also surprisingly versatile, suitable for everything from grilling and baking to cleaning and prepping, making them a worthwhile investment for home cooks of all skill levels. Number 5. PROMEDIX P Nitrile Gloves. These gloves provide reliable protection for various tasks. They're perfect for cooking, household chores, and more. Made from durable nitrile material, these gloves offer excellent protection against germs and spills. The 4mm thickness ensures lasting strength. It's designed to be latex-free and powder-free, making them a safe and comfortable choice for sensitive skin. They are also food-safe. These disposable gloves offer ultimate convenience. Simply use them and dispose of them after use for hygiene. They are ideal for cooking, cleaning, and other household tasks. Their versatility makes them a must-have for any home. Each box contains 100 gloves, providing a generous supply for your needs. This ensures you always have protection on hand. What we like? It's made of nitrile material, disposable for hygiene, and food safe. If you need a safe and convenient option for food handling, this is perfect for quick kitchen tasks or meal prepping. It's ideal for those who prioritize hygiene and ease of use without compromising food safety. What people say. I have these on auto ship. The large size fits as just about universal. I use them to perform hair services with chemicals. I use them to clean, dig gross stuff out of drains, and even handle hot items to a reasonable extent. I mean like washing dishes in hot water, not grabbing a red hot pan from oven. They don't rip. They are good for PPL with latex allergies. These gloves are great. We got the different sizes for the house. Very good value, very durable, and we use them all around the house. I use them to work on my cars and bikes, and the girls use them for when they are coloring their hair. Great stretchability, and great fit. For cooking and cleaning, I wish I used these ages ago. These fit perfectly. My hand size is about a medium with slightly chubby fingers. For cooking, they are perfect as I use them whenever handling raw meat, seasoning, handling, cutting. They also provide a little temperature protection. I noticed this when mixing ground meat and other ingredients by hand. Usually this would freeze my hands, but I was able to work it a little longer than before. I would not recommend these for heat protection, but they do add a very thin layer of insulation for the briefest of contact with warm to warmer foods and cooking tools. Good stuff at a good price. Number 4. Inspire Black Nitrile Gloves. These gloves are built to last. They're perfect for tough jobs and provide reliable protection. With a thickness of 6mm, they offer superior resistance against punctures and tears. You'll feel safe and secure while working. It's designed to withstand a variety of chemicals, keeping your hands safe from spills and splashes. Whether you're in the medical field, preparing food, or tackling a cleaning project, these gloves are up to the task. Once you're finished, simply dispose of them for easy and hygienic cleanup. No more messy hand washing. Despite their durability, they're surprisingly comfortable to wear. Work longer without discomfort. What we like? This one boasts heavy-duty construction and superior thickness. If you're tackling tough cleaning jobs or handling chemicals, its durability and resistance are unmatched. Choose it for its superior protection and longevity, perfect for messy tasks that demand extra strength. What people say. Durable and strong, they are thicker than standard gloves and hold up incredibly well, even during demanding jobs. No rips or tears. Perfect for food prep, safe and reliable for handling food, with a snug fit that allows for easy movement and precision. These 6mm black nitrile gloves have truly impressed me. They offer a fantastic combination of durability, dexterity, and are waterproof. The textured fingertips provide excellent grip. Number 3. Comfy Package Disposable Gloves. Say hello to our new disposable gloves, perfect for cooking and food handling. They're comfortable and easy to use, ensuring hygiene and safety. These gloves are latex and powder-free, minimizing the risk of allergic reactions. They're designed for sensitive skin and provide a comfortable fit. With a one-size-fits-most design, it's easy to find the perfect fit for your hands. They're comfortable enough for extended use. They're perfect for food preparation, ensuring your food is handled hygienically. Maintain high standards of cleanliness in your kitchen. Whether you're cooking at home or working in a food service environment, these gloves provide the protection you need. Keep your hands clean and safe. Simply use them and dispose of them afterwards for ultimate convenience and hygiene. No more messy cleanup. What we like. Made from comfortable polyplastic, it's latex-free for sensitive skin. If you prioritize comfort and are sensitive to latex, this is the best choice. It's great for those with allergies or who simply prefer a softer, more comfortable glove. What people say. They are still roomy enough to move my fingers but saves me from trying to scrape meat mixture off my hands and from under my fingernails. I've used them for many tasks over the last year: cooking, handling chicken and beef, litter box scooping, cleaning puppy accidents, scrubbing the bathtub and toilets, harsh chemicals, bodily fluids, handling items to sanitize them for my family when they had a case of the COVID, a trash pickup taking can to the curb on pickup day. These are nice and big, so I can pick up poop, carefully take the gloves by going inside out and tying it up for the garbage. Number 2. Dura-Gold heavy-duty gloves. These gloves are designed for heavy-duty work. They provide superior protection and durability. With a thickness of 6 mm, they offer excellent protection against punctures and tears. You'll feel confident and safe while wearing them. These gloves are latex-free and powder-free, making them a safe and comfortable choice for sensitive skin. They're perfect for those with allergies. The textured grip provides superior handling and control, even when wet. You'll have a secure grip on any object. Experience the ultimate combination of protection and comfort with these heavy-duty gloves. They're ideal for various tasks. Dura-Gold is a brand you can trust. These gloves are built to withstand the toughest jobs. What we like. It provides a heavy-duty, textured grip for better handling. If you need a secure grip for slippery items, this is the perfect option. Its textured surface ensures a confident grip, ideal for tasks requiring precision and control. What people say. Hefty weight, strong. They are tough enough to pull on without tearing. When prepping meat for the grill, I can wash them while on my hands and reuse them. Durable and hardly ever rip or tear. Number 1. Inspire heavy-duty nitrile gloves. These gloves are built to last. Their heavy-duty construction ensures reliable protection for any task. With 8 mm thickness, they provide superior protection against punctures and tears. You'll feel confident and safe while wearing them. The diamond texture provides an excellent grip, even in wet or oily conditions. This ensures a secure hold on your tools and materials. These gloves are perfect for a variety of uses. From industrial work to food handling, they offer reliable protection. Despite their strength, they're designed for comfort. You can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. The vibrant orange color makes them highly visible, enhancing safety in various work environments. It's a smart choice for increased visibility. What we like. With ultra thickness and a diamond grip, it offers superior protection and control. If you're looking for the ultimate in protection and grip, this is your best bet. Its enhanced features make it suitable for demanding tasks requiring maximum durability and grip. What people say. They last a couple uses and have a good grip. They come on and off easy enough. Most importantly, they come in small sizes that are proportioned correctly for small hands. Better than the ones I can get at my local auto parts store or the hardware store, and they're less expensive to boot. I use them to work on my cars, motorcycles and pretty much everything around my house. I even keep them in my truck for pumping diesel. Bottom line is they are the most durable disposable gloves I've bought. They are thick enough to tackle any job he is doing and fit very well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.